Hi everyone, it's Jasmine here from Clarimentis North America, and today we'll be taking a look at how you can use your Clarimentis intranet to support your continuous improvement strategy. Businesses are either in decline or growth. There is no status quo. Continuous improvement is the mindset that to keep on growing is to enhance and streamline operations on an ongoing basis. It also improves consistency, reduces human error, and gives you a competitive advantage. Clarimentis' eforms and workflow software can be used in a ton of ways to support your continuous improvement strategy, and we'll be exploring that in our video today. Using our eforms and workflow software, you can build online fillable forms where your staff can submit requests and applications or begin a workflow process. A great example of continuous improvement is the employee review process. Having a skilled, knowledgeable, and happy workforce is so important to the success of a business, and you can make the process more collaborative by using our eforms and workflow software. By creating a dedicated eform that both the employee and their line manager can work on together, you can help strengthen business relationships and ensure all parties are moving towards the same goals. Another example of continuous improvement is a review process. Almost every single organization will be delivering a product or service either internally or externally. To ensure your product or service is providing people with what they need, it's very important to capture feedback from those who are using it every day. Using our eforms and workflow software, you can set up a product review process that allows team members to share their feedback and ideas about how to make improvements. These are just two examples of how you can use our eforms and workflow software to streamline operations and support your continuous improvement strategy. If you are not yet using Clarimentis, please book a personal demo with us to get your own system to explore and try out our eforms and workflows features for yourself. If you are a Clarimentis customer already but haven't had a chance to try out these features, simply head to our support portal and book a training session. Thank you for watching my video on how Clarimentis can support your continuous improvement strategy.